I've uploaded an app bundle here and I get this error, your Android app is signed with the wrong key. So this happens when the package ID or the package name or the app bundle, whatever you call it, does not match with the signing key that you had previously uploaded. So you probably changed the package name or bundle ID in your app and now you upload it and now you get this error. To fix this, it's very simple. You just need to generate the signing key again and just click on change signing key, click on change app signing key. Now keep in mind that when you do this, you'll not be able to update the existing app. Okay, so if you are updating an existing app, it needs to have the same package ID and the same signing key. If you change the package ID, you will have to create a new app. Okay, so just click on change app signing key. You can click on let Google manage and protect your app signing key, or you can export and upload a key from Java keystore. Okay, you can do this if you have exported a key, but I'll just click on let Google manage it and click on save, and now it is processing. Once it is complete, you can just click on upload and upload your AAB file and that issue will be gone. Here, I've already done that. So as you can see, now the app bundle is visible and this is the one that I just uploaded. And now I can just click on next and I can release it for testing or publish this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.